All right, it's time for us to create the bricks. So as you would imagine, I'm going to start by creating a new class for them, brick.js. So class brick, and a brick, I'm going to consider a brick is just a block. So extends block. Let's go now and export default brick, and also go up here and say import block from block.js. All right, so, and maybe we just go and copy the constructor as well. So here's the constructor, but really we can just copy this here and say call super. Okay, good. So a brick is just a block, but with one extra behavior, or maybe two extra behavior. It can be hit and disappear. All right, so we can go about a few different ways of tracking this. Here's one very simple strategy. I can create a flag, say if this brick is supposed to be visible, and so when we construct it, it's visible, right? And as long as it's visible, it behaves normally. So like if you think about the draw function, I'll just take this, bring it here, but I'm gonna condition this, and I'm gonna say if this dot visible, then you want to do all of these things. And in fact, I don't have to write any of this. I can just say super dot draw, right? So if you're visible, then do the draw. If you're not visible, then you're not going to be drawn on the canvas. The other thing we can do is we can do something similar to the ball class, where we have like collides, right? Collides with the other. So we can go and copy this, bring it here, and so you know, maybe it would have been better if I'm thinking, should I rename this to paddle because it only collides with paddle? Well, actually it collides with paddle and the brick, right? Okay, so I'm gonna keep this as other. For the brick, maybe I can just say ball, because it doesn't like collide with another brick, right? It collides with a ball. So put the ball here. And we're not going to change the direction. What we're going to do is we say if you hit the other ball, like if you got hit by ball, your visibility is gone, right? Your visibility is gone. And only do this if you're actually visible, right? So this visible, and right, like if you're not visible, then like this behavior should not manifest, right? We can have the ball to, when a ball hits the brick, we can have the brick to disappear and the ball can bounce off. So we can have the ball collide with like this, and so this causes the ball to bounce off. Okay, all right, this looks good to me. In the next video, we're gonna wire it up with the rest of the application and see how it works, and if there are errors or issues, we will fix them.